Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to block someone from your profile in Facebook Marketplace on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by switching to the profile that you want to use. Step 2. Next, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of Facebook. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Step 4. In the left menu, find and click on Blocking. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily block someone from your profile in Facebook Marketplace on your PC. Blocking someone can help you maintain a safe and secure experience while using Facebook Marketplace. Take control of your interactions and ensure a positive online environment. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy blocking!